Here we have a little bit of applied maths. We're looking at a table in the textbook where somebody measures the energy flow in an ecosystem. So he looks at the number of calories per meter squared per year in the sunlight, the energy in the producers, and the energy in the consumers. And what we're going to do, for part A, we're going to see what percentage from the sunlight is converted into the chemical energy. So what this is going to be is the chemical energy in our producers. So that is 6585 divided by the energy in the sunlight, 600,000. And because this is a percentage, we also have to multiply by 100 to get it as a percent. So if we perform that calculation, rounded we get 1.1%. So we only get 1.1% of the energy in sunlight.